Today, we're diving into a full review of PromptBuddy. Is it really worth your time and money, or just another overhyped AI tool? I personally tested it, explored all the features, the pros, the cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether or not it's the right fit for you. So stick around, you definitely don't want to miss this one. And if you want to know more about the product, or grab any special bonuses, check the link in. AI tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and DALL-E 3 are transforming the way businesses create content, design visuals, and solve problems. But here's the challenge: the quality of output depends entirely on the quality of the prompts. Crafting high-performing prompts that deliver exceptional results is not only time-consuming but also requires a level of expertise that many lack. Imagine a tool that doesn't just help you sell prompts, it empowers you to create advanced, ready-to-use prompts in seconds. Whether it's ChatGPT for copywriting, MidJourney for stunning AI art, or DALL-E 3 for hyper-realistic imagery, PromptBuddy makes it effortless to generate, scale, and sell prompts that people are eager to buy. With its built-in store preloaded with 80,000 plus high-demand prompts and cutting-edge features like the bulk prompt creator, PromptBuddy doesn't just solve the problem, it unlocks a whole new income opportunity. It's more than a tool, it's your ticket to thriving in the booming AI economy. I've been using PromptBuddy to generate custom prompts for my freelance clients, and it's been a game changer for my workflow. The advanced prompt generator helps me deliver more precise and effective outputs, saving me hours of trial and error. My clients have noticed the difference, and I feel more confident in what I deliver. Mike Rutter, freelance copywriter, Wisconsin, USA. I was hesitant at first, but the preloaded store with 80,000 prompts made it so easy to get started. I didn't have to create anything from scratch. Adding my own prompts and scaling them with the bulk prompt creator has been incredibly useful for targeting different customer needs. It's been a great tool to expand my product offerings. Goran Olsson, small business owner, Malmö, Sweden. I've been exploring ways to monetize my creativity, and PromptBuddy has been a practical solution. The MidJourney and DALL-E 3 prompt generators have made it easy for me to create unique art prompts that my audience loves. It's intuitive, and the support team has been super helpful whenever I had questions. Kaz Marketing, digital creator, Manchester, United Kingdom. The AI market is exploding. Here's how you can benefit. The global AI tools market is projected to grow from $184 billion in 2024 to over $826 billion by 2030. This explosive growth represents a massive opportunity for creators and businesses looking to capitalize on AI-driven solutions. PromptBuddy places you at the forefront of this booming market by giving you the tools to generate and sell high-quality prompts that businesses are actively seeking. AI prompts are in high demand, with over 100,000 monthly searches for terms like ChatGPT prompts and AI art prompts. Businesses, content creators, and entrepreneurs are all searching for ready-to-use, effective prompts to boost productivity and creativity. With PromptBuddy's advanced tools and preloaded store of 80,000 plus prompts, you can meet this demand and position yourself as a trusted supplier in the growing AI economy. Freelancers on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are cashing in on the AI prompt trend, charging $50 to $150 per project based on complexity and customization. PromptBuddy allows you to create high-quality, advanced prompts in minutes, enabling you to offer competitive services without the time-consuming trial and error. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting, this tool can give you a significant edge. In today's fast-paced digital world, the demand for high-quality AI prompts is skyrocketing. But here's the reality: Every moment you delay, others are stepping ahead and profiting from this booming market. By choosing not to act now, you risk falling behind in ways you may not realize. AI tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and DALL-E 3 are transforming industries, and those who embrace them early are reaping the rewards. Your competitors are already using advanced prompts too. By not leveraging PromptBuddy, you risk being overshadowed by others who are building their authority and growing their profits.